officially cut myself off from buying more decor, and now it is time to decorate for fall. And I'm also gonna be putting up my Halloween decorations at the same time because 1 month is just not enough for all the spooky decor. So today we're putting up all of the pumpkins and squash and bats and ghosts, and I cannot wait. If you watch my last vlog that had me buying all the decor, I've picked up only two more little things since then. I got this garland from Target that has like little bats. And then I also got this ghost pillow. So let's grab my box of stuff from last year and put everything out and see what we're working with. Yay! Before I take everything out, I want to show you some of my favorite things. I got this light up pumpkin last year from Target, and I think it was in their like bullseye section, and I'm just like, you should be charging so much more money for this. This pumpkin is adorable. Don't tell the corporation that. For a corporation that does like to charge money, but also has really good coupons. I got this gourd from Michael's last year. It was like 10 bucks, but I think I got it like 25% off. And it's just very elegant, svelte. I got my first one of these things from Target last year. This is apple. I'm not sure what these critters are called, but they are adorable and they have one for every season. She's the only one I have, and you know, I don't think I need more than her. And speaking of critters, I got this adorable trio. These two are Halloween Squishmallows. We've got Nitro, he's a little hammerhead shark with a bunch of stitches. And then Otto's a Grim Reaper, also with some stitches. And I don't have any Squishmallows besides Snorlax right there. These are my first regular ones, and man, these are addicting, but no more. These two buddies are all I need. And then I got this vampire Keroppi from Hot Topic. Are you kidding me? His little cape, his little bow tie. Keroppi is very special to me, and I finally let myself start collecting him again, and it feels very good for my inner child, so happy to have a little seasonal Keroppi to hang out with me. But those are all of my faves, so let's just start decorating. Let's start with the kitchen and work our way back to the living room, because I feel like this is going to be the biggest beast to tackle. I forgot because these were in the kitchen, but I also got this glass pumpkin, and it has this like little wire coil light up thing running through it. And I also got this mushroom ramekin that I don't think I will put in the oven, but I might store cookies in here or something, so. So I don't remember them being this short last year, but I just looked at my fall decorating video from 2023, and I said the exact same thing. I put them up and was like, huh. And then here we go, history repeating itself. So this time Target actually still has it in stock, so I'm gonna pick that up, but for tonight we're gonna have just a little wee light, you know, a little short like me. So it's fine. Those little bats are so cute. I even put one down there on our pantry door. But the last thing that I want to do, let's swap out the candle for the pumpkin. Oh, let me light it up. Wow. I just put a couple more bats on my entryway, and I love how they turned out. I can't wait to open my door and just be greeted by them like flying off to the sky. I'm so glad I only got one pack though, because I would cover the rest of my apartment in these bats. Now that that's looking good, let's focus on the living room. A reminder of what we're working with. Okay, before I get started, my energy is like starting to wane, so I'm gonna pick a playlist to put on. And I was looking at some fall playlists, and I feel like there are genres of like very woodsy, folksy vibes, and then there's more like a 90s twist to it, and I think, or like early 2000s, that's what I'm looking at right now. Early 2000s fall vibes, I feel, is exactly where my head's at. I want like Michelle Branch, some Matchbox 20. But then also sometimes I feel like fall is very emo to me. It's like Fall Out Boy and just like that vibe of going back to school and being like, ugh. But for now, we're going for like a Grey's Anatomy soundtrack situation. I'm very tired. Finally finished doing the living room. The lights, huge pain in the butt, but they look really nice at night. So let me give you like a dark mode tour of what I've done. So I put up this bat garland above my desk. You couldn't see it with the lights off, so I had to turn the lights on, but here we go. Just very moody, and I love it. I can't wait to watch movies in here. So here's the vibe at night. Got my purple and orange lights, and then got the little candle over there. And I have this little lamp on my desk that hides behind all of my notebooks and stuff. And it has like RGB coloring, so I put it on a purple to go with the theme. And then over here in the living room, we've got a couple more ambient lighting. We've got the same little candle, and then my pumpkin is really struggling. I don't know if it needs a new battery, but it's hanging in there. So this all took a minute, but I'm really pleased with how everything turned out. And now I'm going to treat myself to a little cider, and I'm gonna make pumpkin snickerdoodles to eat.